For the whole day, wala siyang kain-kain. Puro na lang usap-usap. Ang nilagay ko doon is shrimp at saka gulay.
I know that, but
Dahil ako lang dito sa bahay at wala si Mister. So nag-isip-isip ako guys kung ano yung lulutuin ko para pagdating ni Mister meron siyang makain na hindi karne. So naglabas ako dito ng ating carrots, cabbage na purple na binili ni Mister, at saka celery. So yun yung iniisip ko na lutuin ko. Gawa tayo ng lumpiang gulay with seafood. Kasi seafood siya kasi meron tayong shrimp na ilagay, no? So, kaya yun yung iniisip ko habang wala si Mister. So, yun, busy si ating para naman may kain yung ating asawa, no? Habang nag-defrost tayo ng ating shrimp, hinahinay lang cut sa ating gulay, no? Para hindi tayo magkabuang magkalisod mamaya. Ang ganda pala ng purple ng cabbage na to. Gandang tignan. Yun guys, ito lang yung nahalungkat ko sa ating refrigerator, no? Habang nag-iisip ako kung ano yung mga ilagay natin sa ating lumpia. So yun siya guys, ito na yung ating nakat, pero yung celery hindi pa, ikakat natin pa yung celery kasi masarap din ito, no? Masarap, maganda yung aroma ng celery talaga din, kaya sabi ko lagyan natin ng celery. So ngayon guys, ito na yung shrimp, kinakat ko lang siya ng tama-tama lang, no? Hindi naman masyadong maliliit, yung tama-tama lang na maliit na cubes, yun lang naman. So yun guys, habang busy ako sa kusina, napatawag naman si Mister, naghugas lang ako ng ating mga ginamit na mga gamit, and then yun si Mister, sinabihan ko siya nga nagluto ako para sa kanya, masaya naman siya, no? Basta mga ganitong mga time na kapag nag-isip ako kung ano yung kakainin niya, masaya yun siya. So ito na yun siya guys, yung ating gulay, at saka i-add na natin yung shrimp. So yun, i-mix lang natin. Bago natin siya i-mix, lagyan natin siya ng 2 itlog, no? Napaisip-isip ko lang, sige, lagyan natin ng itlog. 2 yung nilagay ko. Pagkatapos niyan, minimix-mix ko lang siya. Naisip ko dito guys, habang nagme-mix ko, masarap ito kapag merong squid at saka octopus. Ikat ng ganitong diba? Ang sarap niyan, puro seafood at saka gulay. Sarap. So meron na tayo ditong kalahay talaga. Lagyan natin ng oil and garlic at saka onion. Yun lang naman, ilagay natin siya. Of course, isote natin siya, mix. Garlic at onion dito sa Amerika iba. Sa Pilipinas kapag yung onion at garlic igisa mo siya, ang bango. Kakaiba talaga yung bango na parang ang sarap. So yun guys, nilagay ko na yung ating mix dyan na gulay at saka shrimp. Lagyan natin ng toyo. Konti lang naman siya, no? And lagyan din natin siya ng oyster sauce. Pangpalasa talaga masarap. At saka paminta at asin lang. Yun lang siya. Wala na akong ginawa kundi yun lang. At saka yun guys, dahil magtubig yun siya, no, dinidrain ko siya. And then yung tubig niya hindi ko tinapon kasi pwede yan siya sa aso, no, pagkain. So ito na nga, magrarap na tayo ng ating lumpia. At nakikita nyo na hindi talaga ako sanay magawa ng lumpia, no? Mali-mali talaga, pero paminsan okay na, basta kayo makain at marap lang siya, okay na, fights na. Ito na nga yung ating narap. So yun, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is i-fry natin. At ito na yung sabaw guys, maganda yan sa pagkain sa aso. So yun, pinafry ko lang siya, dahan-dahan lang, no? So yun guys, pag uwi ni Mister, ipatikim natin sa kanya. Kaso pag uwi niya guys, gabi na, sobrang gabi. Tapos na tayo sa pagluluto. So keep on watching guys, tanungin natin si Mister kung ano yung verdict niya nito, no? Kung magustuhan ba niya. So ako naman, tinitikman ko siya. Guys, ang sarap guys. Napasayaw pa ako niyan sa sarap talaga. Pero sobrang init, grabe, napaso yung dila ko. But ganyan talaga kapag bagong luto, kakainin mo agad. Adoy, nako inday. Napasayaw pa si Inday Mire. Masarap talaga siya, promise. Ito na stami. Maayong buntag, Han.
morning, huh? Morning, guys.
Ah,
Yes, I look like hell.
nagustuhan mo yung pagkain?
Food very tasty. I tried to add some of this on to make it more tasty, but it doesn't really work for that.
Halang man na kaayo.
Yeah, but it didn't. It's good for meats, I guess. It didn't really work for seafood.
Bakit hindi ka kumakain ng karne?
Holy Saturday, which typically nobody follows that, but when I was a kid, you didn't eat meat on Fridays during Lent. You didn't eat meat definitely on Good Friday and Holy Saturday, and then on Easter Sunday you would have a big thing, usually lamb.
Okay. Usually lamb.
Right.
Until this is gonna be hanggang Sunday ba ito? Until Sunday.
Tomorrow.
And
Today's Holy Saturday.
pag
Tomorrow is
Lunes
Easter
na, okay, nakakain ka na.
Sunday. Yeah, Monday it's all over. Lent is over on Sunday. It's the time until Jesus Christ rises from the grave.
Sunday, tomorrow.
Right.
So, nagustuhan mo.
You want to see the sunrise, you better be up at 4 in the morning.
Yeah, no, the
sunrise
sunrise-
is about 5:30.
Yeah, 5:30, that's what it is. That's why, So, you really nagustuhan mo really pagkain, Han?
Yes, I do. I prefer it with meat, but it's not a meat day.
Well,
I like to.
ang nilagay ko doon is shrimp at saka gulay.
I know that, but the pork. If you use sausage meat, just has a flavor to it that seafood.
There is a
lacks.
flavor of shrimp in there.
Yeah, but shrimp has got a very mild flavor.
Very mild,
It doesn't. It doesn't overwhelm the vegetables. You don't even taste the shrimp.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Nagustuhan pala ni Mister.
Work left to do in others.
I did ask you. Did you forget?
He's like, yeah, but he's like, well, if you really, he wants me to beg him for her.
Kakauwi lang niya, pero nakita ninyo may kausap kahit andito na sa bahay. Ganyan siya. Yung katrabaho niya, kausap niya palagi, no? Yun yung anak ng may-ari ng kumpanya. Kumpanya ba yun? Basta yun, business, gano'n. Lalabas talaga ako, no? Kapag makarating na yan kasi ako yung magdadala ng yung mga dala niya kasi mabigat. Tulungan lang natin yung asawa nating chikador. Ka-smile pa. Chikador talaga. Tignan nyo naman yan. Sinabihan ako na sa trunk daw yung bag niya. So, kaya yun. Ako nagpunta, and then ako yung kukuha. Halikan mo nga ako.
Hi, Hi, camera.
So, andito na siya. Your kabaryo is home. And, hungry. Dahil, doesn't eat the whole day. It's not anybody's problem. Problema niya yan. Because he doesn't eat anything. So, your wife is cooking pasta. This is the pasta you got. Chickpeas pasta. And then the sauce, of course, I used it. You can add cheese, you can add sauce if you want. And of course, your wife cook you a broccoli rub. Stop. Makes you happy. Eat now with your chicken from. Okay. So, ganito siya guys kapag makauwi na, no? Ganito yung kabaryo ninyo. Kapag makauwi na. Yan. No, it's hot for them though. Ha? Because I just came out there. Pauwi lang ni Mister. Pakainin natin kasi gutom yun. For the whole day. Wala siyang kain-kain. Puro na lang usap-usap. He doesn't eat always usap-usap. That means, hindi siya kumain. Puro na lang salita. Usap-usap. Yum, yum, yum. Ganun. So, kung sa Bisaya pa, the Bisaya only can understand. Usap-usap is like chewing-chewing. Nag-chu-chu. Chu-chu train. My husband is looking. Come on, Poison Ivy. Alright, come on. I can give you some Poison Ivy. So, pakainin natin siya. Ito po yung pagkain niya, chicken. At saka yung pasta na ginawa ko. At saka yung broccoli wrap.
Hi, guys.
Do you want sauce? You have to take the sauce, the whole sauce. And nothing but the sauce. The sauce is over there, love. No, I put it in a container.
Not running nowhere.
Huh? So how was your job?
Oh, loads and loads of fun.
Is it busy?
Busy?
Huh?
Busy because you're trying to get stuff done.
Is it finally done?
No.
And you're not coming back tomorrow, okay?
No.
What happened?
Monday.
Over there, the same place?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's coming time for opening.
Why? Your chicken eh. This is your plate. Alright, ginoo ko, hala ka. Yung buto man, ha? Okay, this is your plate. Put pasta here, and then the broccoli rub. So the broccoli rub is over there. Okay, put the broccoli rub. So, needle and thread.
You didn't have pasta?
Nope, I want my rice. Rice is life. That's why I'm so healthy. Because of rice. That's good, honey, because it's still hot. I think I just cooked it not a long time ago. So, yan. So para mag-relax. Kasi sabi ko parang mainit yung katawan niya. Nainitan na pala. Tulog na tulog siya. So sabi ko, lagyan ng ice ng ulo. So yan. Kaya lagyan ng ice. So yun na nga, no? 10:30 na ng gabi. So, andyan pa rin yung machine. Nagtatrabaho pa rin kasi nag-spray ng prutas. Do you wanna read the Bible? Come on. Hobbs, come on. Hobbs? Salamat po guys sa panunood. So magbasa lang ako ng Bible. Every time na ganito ako, no, si Hobbs andyan talaga naka-ano. Pero bago talaga kami matulog, ito yung ginagawa ko. And salamat po sa inyong panunood guys. Kita-kits tayo next time. Have a good day!